In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer money to your Wise account. Once you're in the Wise app, select the currency account which you'd like to make the transfer to. So for here, for example, I'm going to be selecting this Canadian account. Then what you're going to do is select add money. Here, specify how much money you'd like to deposit or transfer into your Wise account. Then here, select a payment method. So when you select change, you can choose between the cheapest option and the quickest option. You'll see the various options that are available to you. So I'm going to select the cheapest option and it ranks them in the order in which they cost. So here I'll be linking my bank account. Then just select pay in whatever currency you have selected. So now it will be connecting my account. Then select continue. So here I'm just allowing the request from my RBC app and select I have accepted, then select continue. Here select a bank account of your choice if you are using this method, then select continue, then select continue. Here open the Wise app and my bank account is linked. Now I'm just going to select pay to complete the payment. Here I need to verify my password again, then select approve. And the transfer is in progress. So if I click the hex here, I should see the $250 deposited to my account. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.